The divorce between Jeezy and Jeannie has taken yet another regrettable turn. Welcome back, it's your host Nancy Brown. If you are new here, make sure you have subscribed to our YouTube channel. In December, the cops even became involved. Mai claimed at the time that she had attempted to get her belongings back from Jeezy's house, but had been turned away. The police were not called to make a scene but instead to report that the court order was being violated. Her attorney noted, per the outlet, her complaint states that the police officer informed the house manager that a court order was, in fact, being violated. After some time, Mai managed to enter Jeezy's garage, where her possessions were kept. However, it was evident that her belongings had allegedly been harmed once she entered. The boxes were wet, with water having soaked through the boxes, damaging personal items. There were mouse traps set in the garage, presumably set for mice which had eaten through some of the boxes, the filing alleges. Many of Jeannie's awards were broken and scratched. According to reports, Jeezy had worries about Mai's freedom to go about his residence, and that's when Mai filed her complaint. In 2023, he accused the celebrity of downloading video from his security system. Additionally, he said that she later justified withholding their kid from him by using the video. Instead, Jeezy requested that Mai simply retrieve her possessions from the house and boxes he had prepared. Jeezy does not feel safe having Jeannie in his home, his lawyer wrote at the time. Given Jeannie's history of attempting to destroy Jeezy's career with misleading information, Jeezy would have no way of knowing if Jeannie is planting listening devices or cameras in his home. A judge has been asked to reject Jeezy's subpoena for Jeannie Mai's bank accounts, calling the request oppressive. In a document that In Touch Weekly was able to get, she made the case. In June, the couple signed a divorce settlement. However, Mai has since accused Jeezy of not fulfilling a number of financial commitments. Mai's attorney contended, here, the subpoena is grossly overbroad and oppressive, and it is clear that the subpoena was issued for the sole purpose of embarrassing and harassing Ms. Mai, as same requests information that in no way relates to the subject matter of the current contempt action. Furthermore, Ms. Mai has provided numerous alternative avenues for Jeezy to obtain the information that he is now requesting from Ms. Mai's personal and business bank accounts from the time period of June 2024 to October of 2024. They continued, given Jeezy's propensity for failing to pay his financial obligations, both in his prior unrelated custody case, and based on the number of lawsuits that have been filed against him by his former employees and associates regarding non-payment of debts, it is clear that Jeezy's motive in issuing said subpoena was for no other purpose than to harass and intimidate Ms. Mai. According to Mai, Jeezy allegedly promised to deposit $500,000 into an account for their daughter, but he never did. She also alleges that he failed to pay tuition and childcare expenses, as well as the $92,000 that was due for 4 months' rent. According to Jeezy, the accusations are blatant misrepresentations.
Baby mama number 1 and 2. If you ain't learned already, I ain't giving you shit.
Tyrese Gibson has had a very challenging and well-publicized few months. Fast and Furious star reportedly owing an astounding $74,000 in back child support, according to People magazine. However, on November 18th, the drama was rekindled. On Instagram, the performer targeted the mother of his kids.
Like I fought to earn this life, I'm gonna fight to keep it.
Additionally, he gave them his word that he would not be parting with the money he had earned. Tyrese corrected the record on his position on social media. He spoke to his children's mother, Norma Mitchell, and Samantha Lee.
I'm giving it away to nobody. Ain't nobody gonna take this. I'm gonna shoot, stab, and kill over mine.
Tyrese proceeded to get even more extreme with the lengths he would go to keep his fortune intact.
I'm gonna protect this. Bottom line, at all costs. I've earned it, and I'm gonna protect it. I'm gonna protect it as hard as I've earned it.
The entertainer claimed he's not going to budge. Tyrese Gibson has previously thrown caution to the wind in respect to his financial situation. The former singer spoke about all the money squandered over the years on The Breakfast Club in August.
I just got another letter from her lawyer requesting that I send over all of my tax returns.
In addition, a lot of their back and forth in court is around alleged defamatory remarks made by one party to the other, in addition to disagreements over payments and asset distributions.
And all of my bank statements, because she's trying to get $20,000, and I think they're trying to take it up to like $40,000.
The actor and singer's monthly payments to Lee following the eventual finalization of their divorce, however, are the subject of the most recent update.
And they've been looking at all of my movies and all of the concerts and shows that I've been doing over there like blood-sucking lawyers rubbing their hands.
He also alleges that she is attempting to extract even more money from him with the help of her legal team. These comes after the Los Angeles native returned to The Breakfast Club and sobbed as he discussed these and other hardships.
Samantha's doing the same thing, rubbing her hands, and they going, oh shit.
For the last year and a half, he looked like he's been doing really well. Let's go ahead and get those bank statements over here so we can figure out a way to get this law firm another $600,000 they were asking for in legal fees, Tyrese went on. It's a dirty, dirty game out here. Well, y'all won't keep waiting. Y'all pray for me because I am hearing that the appeals court around my divorce case is being appealed. And they are going to give me the outcome of my appeal August 25th.